Okay guys, welcome to step 7. So we've got our uprights all done from the previous step, and now we're making the crossbar and stopping block. Okay, you can do this on the bench. I'm just doing this in the vise so that we can see a bit easier what's going on. Okay, so you use one of the blue vices or the engineer's vices, because otherwise you end up destroying the bench if you use the other pin. We use our ruler. We're going to measure 148mm for 14.8 centimeters. We make a mark. We use our square again, and we make a real nice straight line that. And don't adjust that because it's not quite sitting right. So I know it's reasonably close to the vise, but not too close. Then I'm going to get what's called a tenon saw, okay, or back saw, and I'm going to cut it with that. When you're cutting, always, if I want this bit of wood, I always cut on the outside of my piece of wood, because otherwise I will make it too short by about 1mm. So you do what's called a couple of draw cuts. They're nice and sideways. Okay, and you cut. And put your finger there, keep it nice and straight. And then it sends that falls off. And then voila, we end up with our first bit. Then I find if you use a file or a bit of sandpaper, just give it a quick clean up. Just makes it a bit more professional and a quality job. Okay. Then I'm going to move it along a bit. Again, this could be done on the bench. I'm just doing it here so you can see it easier. Use your pencil. Measure along 40mm. Okay. Get your square right up against there. Do a nice job. Then saw on the outside of our line again. You can hold it like this and last a bit, and it falls off nicely. Give it a quick clean up. And then we have our two pieces of wood. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick measurement on this. So then you do 6 by 6 again, which will be about there, 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 and there, and then you do 12 in, 12 up, so which will be about there and there. Okay, so just doing a quick tour. Then you put them back in your vise, and we drill pilot holes using our cordless drill again. End up with 6 holes. Then we have to find the halfways of each of our pieces. So this half of 148 is 74mm. Okay, so you do that one there, make a mark, and then you do half 40, which is of course 20. Now this is the advantage that you can then line them up and you get your halfways done perfectly every time. So then what you can do then is you get a bit of glue, put it on there, line the two up, and put it on your bench, the hammer, just line the two up in there, keeps it all nice and pro. Get out now. Keep it all nice and straight. That's step 1. Okay. We will then do some gluing there and there. Put that on there. Line it all up, all nice and tight up the top there. If it's a little bit out like that, we just give it a bit of a push. And we just push in here like that. And voila, that is our frame complete.